Hello everybody, and how are you all? Hope you are doing great and you would be studying in your home and practicing English in your home because it is the time you cannot get again that lack of time. And now I have come again on my channel, and in this video I will speak in slow motion so that you can understand each and every part from the scratch. It is my channel, and I made this channel for you. If you will not see, if you will not give any like, subscribe, any comment, then how can I make many videos on my channel? It is a very important part of my life, and I'm teaching all over the world to students, and my student is not giving any comments like, then it is not good for you. Please subscribe my channel and try to give me full, and try to share my video all over the world so that I am from village. How can I villagers boy I can speak English, but you live in city area but you can't speak English? In this video we are going to talk about some important methods, how to get, how to bring fluency. Fluency is not very difficult things, but it is not a impossible. It is difficult, but it is not a impossible. You can bring fluency in your life in speaking. This is a spoken English classes. Welcome to my channel again in speaking English and improving your fluency with me. And today I was thinking in my mind when I was sitting in my home, then that time I was thinking that what kind of what kind of content I will bring in front of my audience, because my audience is waiting for my video. But now what kind of work, what kind of word I will speak in front of you, but I'm not understanding. But without content I have come in front of you guys. Please listen to me carefully. If you want to become a fluent in English speaking, if you want to learn English without any partner, without any taking any pet course, this video is for you. Please listen to me and don't try to skip this video. If you will skip my video, you cannot understand from scratch. I will tell you in my video from the scratch how can I become, how could I become a fluent speaker in my life, because this is not a easy work, becoming a fluent speaker without any partner. In this video, when I decided to come in front of you, then that time I thought, don't listen anyone's point, anyone's words, that many people will say that I can teach you English in 1 month or 2 months, but it is not possible. It is not possible. If you want to learn English from the beginning, I am ready for to teach you English from the beginning, because everyone is beginner in my channel, because I speak in simple language. I don't use any difficult words on my sentences. My this is my channel, and in my channel I will be creating a simple language, simple words. I will be using my simple words so that you can understand each and every part easily. That means when I talk about something about my English spoken journey, in my journey many people came to explain me that it is not a good language, and why are you learning English? And if you, let's assume, if you become a fluent speaker in this world, and from which people, from which people you you will talk in this country, in this area, because anyone cannot speak English. That is why I said to him, I don't want to speak in my area. I will speak, I will go abroad, then I will speak anything, because it is not a very easy thing to learn English, and I want to get a important job. That is why I am learning English. I told him, I explained him each and every part to that people, and I debated for that people one day in my village. And now people will say you don't need to learn English in this country because everyone speak in Hindi and everyone knows how to speak in Hindi. And when I comes about speaking English, and how did you? I will ask you some question about this language. How did you learn Hindi? Tell me from the scratch. You went to school, and in school you listened many teacher. You listened many teacher, and after listening many lecture, and after watching many movies in Hindi, and after watching many reels in Hindi, then you learnt English. It is the things. First of all, input, and after that you have to output whatever you listened. Please, as much as possible, try to listen many podcast in English, many movies in English, and many English stories, simple stories, and you will get simple words in English stories. And please search, you can write on your search bar simple story, then in front of you many story will come, and you have to watch with scratch with from the beginning, so that you can understand each and every part. And after that, try to summarize that thing. And when you don't speak English with your mouth, you cannot learn English. Learning English depends on your practicing. As much as possible, you have to practice every day. Every day you have to give some almost 2 hours in practicing, and without looking any notes, uh, without repeating any words, you have to use your sense, and try to speak, and don't try to translate anything in your mind. Without translating, focus on your word, whatever word you use on your sentences, and don't try to make very big very big sentences. Try to make small sentences, and small words, simple words, so that every people and you can also understand each and every part from this scratch. Now this is the important thing which I wanted to, that is, this is what I wanted to tell you. Okay, now I will see you again in another session, and i will bring another I will bring another content in another video. That is why it is my video. And in my video, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and